Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Putri Sriwahyuni and my friend Rahman Faisal. So today we're gonna explain about implementation of strategies, section 6, implementing strategy successfully. So first I'm gonna explain about the key success factor. One is accountability. Each person must clearly understand their role and be responsible for specific results. Without accountability, plans remain ideas only. And we have communication. Effective communication helps everyone share the same goal and direction. It avoids misunderstanding during implementation. And resources. Strategies need enough time, budget, and manpower to be executed properly. Without this, even good plans will fail. And culture, a company's values and habits must support the new strategy. When culture and goals match, employees are more motivated. And then the last one is leadership. Leaders must be adaptive and ready to make decisions in uncertain situations. They are the ones who inspire people to move forward with this strategy. For the example, we have Netflix case. Netflix is a great example of successfully strategy implementation. Originally a DVD rental company, Netflix adapted early to digital streaming. Its leadership was visionary and willing to take risks. The company invested resources into technology and content innovation. It also built a culture of adaptability and creativity that supported rapid change. Because of that, Netflix became a global leader while many competitors failed to evolve. So, implementation metrics, progress metrics measure how close the organization is to reaching its goals or milestones. And then we have efficiency metrics, track how effectively resources like time and budget are used. Engagement metrics, check employee motivation and teamwork through surveys or feedback. And cultural metrics, see how well people have adapted to the new processes or values. And then the last one is financial metrics, see how well people have adapted to the new processes or value. And then for the next slide, we'll explaining by Rahman.
Okay, thank you, Dian. Now let's continue the slide presentation. Let's look a real example how a company measures its strategy implementation. Example is Toyota. Toyota apply a system called Hoshin Country, which ensure that every level of the coordination is aligned with the company goals. Top management set the direction, and each department creates a measurable action plan. A regular review are done to monitor progress and our performance. Toyota use metrics like product quality, product efficiency, and cost control to make sure everything stay on track. This system connects the strategy and execution perfectly, helping Toyota maintain its reputation for quality and continuous improvement. Now, continuous improvement. A key part of a successful strategy implementation is continuous improvement. This means an organization must never stop evaluating and upgrading its process. It begins with regular strategy review cycles, where goals and results are analyzed to identify what can be improved. Next, there are feedback integration mechanisms, where input from employees, customers, and stakeholders is gathered and applied. Then, process refinement initiative help company enhance efficiency and quality in daily operation. Next, capability development programs are also important to train and develop employees so they can adapt to new challenges. And finally, environmental scanning update help an organization stay aware of external trends and change in the market. These five elements keep a company dynamic, competitive, and ready for future. For example, is a Apple innovation case. A good example of continuous improvement in action is the Apple incorporation. Apple constantly review its performance and collect feedback from the user to refine its products. Through continuous innovation, Apple decided to replace Intel chips with their own Apple Silicon processor. This change made the product faster, more efficient, and less dependent on other suppliers. It's clear example of how continuous improvement of a company stay at the top of industry. Apple culture of innovation and already ensure they always one step ahead of competitors. In conclusion, implementing a strategy successfully requires three important things: alignment, action, and adaptation. Adaptation. Alignment means everyone from leader to employee works toward the same vision. Action means turning that vision into measurable results. And adaptation means learning and improving continuously to face change. With strong leadership, clear communication, and culture of improvement, any organization can turn a plan into success. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. That's all from us. So thank you so much.